Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of #Vlogger. For today's video, magre-review tayo ng isang product that was given to me, KOE or KOE. So, ito yung dalawa sa mga products na pinatry nila sa akin. So, these are sunflower plus argan oil na you can use for your face and your skin and even sa neck mo, pwede rin. And they also have this reversal lift na intensive repair cream. So, I have two of their products. So, I actually tried this last week pa, itong kanilang argan oil and repair cream. I also tried na skin test siya para malaman if I'm allergic to the product or not. So, I tried this two last week as I mentioned and okay naman siya. Yung skin ko kasi is hindi talaga ako masyadong naglalagay ng mga facial cream or oil sa face ko kasi I like to keep it dry. And mist lang talaga yung nilalagay ko sa face ko. But since they asked me to try their product, I of course willingly tried their product. And I'm very happy for the results kasi as you can see, mas smooth yung face and mas moisturized siya based lang sa observation ko. So this is the first product that they gave. This is KOE Luxurious Sunflower plus Argan Oil. So this is actually a mixture of pure sunflower seed oil, argan oil, golden jojoba oil, ano bang basa doon? Rose hip seed oil, and coconut oil. So this is just a mixture of all the oils combined together. And I like it kasi para lang siyang watery talaga. As you can see here, lapit tayong konti. So as you can see here, it's super watery. I'm gonna try it siguro sa kamay ko na lang kasi I have makeup on. But if you look at it closely, I'm gonna put a drop right here. Ayan, if you look closely, ayan, nag-drop ako ng dalawa. And then, if you rub, super watery, parang wala kang nilagay and wala siyang weight at all sa face mo. But if you like or hindi ka comfortable na maglagay ng oil sa face mo, you can always try it sa neck or sa hands mo before mo ilagay sa mukha mo. Ayan. I think this is anti-aging and skin lightening. So, yung mga properties or ingredients or ingredients that they have here sa kanilang oil is that it's very, very friendly sa face and sa neck mo. But, of course, I advise na i-try mo muna siya sa kamay mo bago mo ilagay sa face. So, again, as I've mentioned, it has anti-aging and skin lightening properties. Yan. So, let's see. Ito yung meron ng oil, and then ito yung wala. Ayan. So, oil lang yan wala naman akong nilagay na kahit ano, but this is just the oil from KOE, sunflower and argan oil. So, ayan siya. Well, you can see the effects right away. Ganoon naman kasi madalas yung claim ng mga brands ngayon that you can see the results right away. I like this and it's definitely a must try lalo na sa mga nag-explore pa lang sa mga types of oil that they want to use sa face or sa neck nila. Ako kasi I never tried, to be honest. This is the first time that I'm trying this product or this sunflower and argan oil on my face and I like it naman, but I guess hindi ko siya everyday na lalagyan just so I could prevent then yung oiliness sa face ko and sa skin ko. Okay, next product that we're gonna try is this Reversal Lift Luxurious Intensive Repair Cream. So again, it has the same formula. It has sunflower and argan oil, but of course with other ingredients such as, of course, water. They also have golden jojoba oil, hydrogenated castor oil, zinc oxide, glycolic acid, and kojic acid. They have other ingredients here na hindi na ako familiar. But mostly, this is for the face and the skin during daytime. So, if naglalagay ka ng sunscreen, I think this is a better alternative. This is a repair cream. I think it moisturizes the skin also kasi when I tried it, and kinumpare ko yung difference from my left and right hand. Medyo talagang malambot yung after effect niya and super smooth. I think if you want to achieve that glass skin, this is, I guess, perfect for you if gusto mo ma-achieve yung glass skin na yan. So, as I mentioned, I have makeup on. So, let's just try it on my other hand. Okay, so they have the instructions here. It is advisable to do a small patch test first on the back of your hand to test if there will be no adverse reactions. Nakalagay din naman sa instructions nila to put a small amount on your hands first or at the back sa palms mo, mas advisable. So yan, I already tried the product kaya medyo may bawas. And observation, I really like it kasi it softens my skin. But hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit sa face and sa neck part ko kasi medyo may pagka-mainit siya. So, ayoko kasi nung parang merong mainit sa face ko. Gusto ko, I like to keep it fresh and natural as always. So, hindi ko siya nilalagay during daytime. I put it at night para matutulog na ako and fresh lang. And hindi rin sobrang oily. So, let's try to put it on. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try it on my palms or dito sa front. Just put a small amount kasi na-try ko naman na to. Yan siya. This is actually also skin lightening and moisturizing at the same time. Yan. Just put small amount or if you want, you can add. Depende sa gusto mo. But I think a small amount would do kasi medyo mabigat siya sa feeling if you're gonna put a heavy amount sa face mo. Yan. And of course, the smell. Sobrang bango niya. It smells like vanilla. Parang ganon. Or vanilla cream. If you know Victoria's Secret na vanilla cream or French vanilla ba or something. Basta may vanilla scent or honey. It smells like that. And even itong oil, it has the same scent or fragrance. Ayan, like this intensive repair cream. Pero mas strong yung scent nito. That's why medyo uncomfortable din ako. Kasi ayoko ng mga may fragrance na ginagamit sa mukha. Feeling ko is harmful siya since merong fragrance na nilalagay or perfume. Both of these products, sobrang bango. This one has parang more friendly scent compared to their argan oil. Kasi their argan oil has a little bit of a strong scent kapag nilalagay mo sa face mo or sa neck mo, which on my part lang, I don't like. And then this one, I really love the scent. Super friendly, and I think you can do it, you can use it every day, even just sa palms mo or sa knees mo, ganyan, or dito sa siko mo if you want na malighten din yung skin mo dyan. Yan! So I guess that would be all for our short review. I already unboxed this on my TikTok account. You can follow me. And also, I posted all these products on my Instagram account. If you want to purchase this, I will put down below the links of the shop. And ayan, it is actually very affordable, but the quality is perfect and it's very nice, especially for beginners like me na ngayon pa lang nag-explore sa mga skincare, sa makeup, ganyan. So, yeah, thank you very much, KOE, for sending these products to me. I hope that you like this quick review video for KOE. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye!